Hey YouTube, this Joanne coming to you today with some money-making apps that you can get from your Android and Google Play. It's 8. I have 8 that are waiting for you to sign up today. Without further ado, I'm going to start with the first one and I'm going to get into it. And the first one is called Money Free. You can get rewards by watching videos, downloading their free apps that they have on their website, and you can get money or you can get credit, either one. The money you can put into your PayPal, and it's free. All the ones I'm going to tell you about is free. You don't have to pay for anything. There's no scams. They 100% legal. And number 2, make sure you stay tuned for all 8 so you don't miss any of these apps so you could get paid today. Number 2 is called Lucky Day, where you can win real money, like green, like money, dinero. It's scratch off cards. You scratch off the cards, and if you get 3 of a kind, you win prizes. You get gift cards, but this one also has real money, like dollars. So if you scratch off, you win, and you scratch off 3, and it's $5, you get $5 basically. And these is Android apps that you can make money. Number 3 is called Make Money. Typical. PayPal, cash, and gift cards you can get with this money-making app. You can earn money through PayPal. And if this is the clicker, if you get 2,500 points, you could get $15 for your PayPal, and it takes 2 to 3 days, like 24 to 48 hours for it to go into your PayPal. And if you don't want the PayPal, if you don't want the cash, which I doubt, but you might not want the cash. You don't want the cash, you could get gift cards, or you could get Google Play cards. Like if you play your games and stuff, you can use the Google credits to help you beat your game, like I do. I love games. Whatever, it's like whatever you like, whatever you want. It's up to you. That one is number 3, and it's called Make Money. Number 4 is called Big Time. Big Time. You play videos all day long. If you like to play videos, like me, if I don't play videos, I'm doing my YouTube channel. And you get top paid gift cards like Sephora, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, whatever you want, or whatever you need for yourself. Or you could just get cash into your PayPal account. That's basically it. Cash into your PayPal account, which is pretty cool. Number 5. We're already on number 5. Number 5 is called Money App. Cash for free. Free cash. You watch videos, complete surveys, play free games, what they have on their site. You play their games, you download the games, sign, play the games, and you get points. You test their free services. They got services. You test those services, and then you redeem credit for your cash or gift cards, whatever you want. Top brand gift cards. It's totally up to you. But if you do it through the PayPal, you put your cash, you want to go through PayPal, it takes 2 to 3 days for your money to be deposited into the PayPal. So 24 to 48 hours it's going to take. Number 6 is called Lucky Donuts. Lucky Donuts. It's scratch off cards. You scratch off the cards, you win, you get instant rewards for the gift cards or cash. And they also have slot games. The slot games, they have those too. And you just basically, with this one, Lucky Donuts, you have fun playing games. And all of these you get money. You get either money or gift cards. So these is some awesome money-making apps that you can be in your home, make money. I don't know how many of these I have. Maybe like 15. So I have money coming from all over the place. Number 7 is called Receipt Pal. I just downloaded that one. That's really cool. Basically, you earn rewards for taking photos of your receipts. Like you go into the store, you have a receipt, you scan it with this app, and you submit the photos to the company, to Receipt Pal, and you get points used toward top gift cards. The more receipts you snap, the more the more points you get. So guys, start snapping. Download the Receipt Pal. I'm gonna put all these today and download it, so whenever you get a receipt, or if your homeboy or your homegirl, whatever, your family member have receipts, take that receipt and scan it. And so that the more you scan, the more points you get. That's basically like pretty cool, right? How awesome is that? You go to the store and you shopping and you get a receipt and you scan it and you get points. So it's like double win. You win both ways. So that's what I do. I be going in there, getting them receipts, and I be scanning them, and I get my points. That's how I do. You see receipt, take it, scan it, and you get points for that. Every time you scan something and you submit it, it goes right into the app, and then you get points. And last but not least, it's called Cash Karma. You earn free gift cards by watching videos, completing surveys, and all the other good stuff that they have on this website. So basically what you're going to be doing is taking surveys, watching videos, playing games. That's the new thing now with the apps today. And then what happens is when you finish, let's just say you're playing a game and you get points. Them points, they say you got 3,000 points. Those points accumulate and it goes into a bank through Cash Karma. And then if you get a certain amount, you get just say you get 15,000, you could either get Amazon cards, Best Buy, or if you just want cash, you want money, just have it in your PayPal account. That's like the coolest way. But if you good on the money tip, get the gift cards. So that's it. And I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. I just want to bring to you these top money-making apps that you could get from your Android phone. While you sitting watching TV, you can get paid. You can make money. It might not be $1 million or not even $250,000, but you know what? It's some money that you're going to put in your pocket and put in your PayPal account, and you're just going to generate money. That's what I want for you. And I want to say thank you so much for coming to my channel. I appreciate you. And if you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that I do. I do them every week. Fresh ones every week. And you just sign up, subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss any videos that I do. I do work from home videos, but I have also other videos. But my main one, what I will be doing so much of, is work from home. So, because, times is hard, and, I want to generate some money into your into your home, and, so you don't be struggling. It's not a good feeling to be struggling. So that's why I want to just come to you and say thank you for coming to my channel. And I want to bring this to you today. And, I got 2 beautiful cats that I have to feed also. So just keep that in mind and watch these videos, because you know how it go. I got to get my side hustle on. You know what I'm saying? I got my babies to feed. So like this video, like and subscribe, comment on the bottom, and let me know how it went for you. Let me know, so then I know, what to look for. If you like money making apps, tell me on the bottom. If whatever you want, I'll do the research and I'll do more videos. I'll do another video. So just tell me what you like for me to do. Say, Joanne, hey, I want you to do a video on such and such, and I'll research it, and I'll just put the video out. So, just stay connected with me. Let me know how the money making apps went, because I giving them out to you. I downloaded 3. I signed up for 3 already, so that's probably like 18 apps, money apps that I got, not including the survey apps. I do it all, because you know what? At the end of the day, every little bit counts. A nickel here, quarter here, $5 here. I just cashed out 2 days ago with one of my apps called iPoll. I just cashed out $25, and I did it. It took me like 4 days to do it, maybe 4, maybe less. But they continue to give you surveys continuously, and that's what I like. I like to do them. So if one is 5, the other one is 5. That's $10 you made in an hour. That's it. That's how you gotta look at it. So that's what I'm coming to you today. I want to say thank you for coming to my channel. I totally appreciate you, and I'm gonna do more videos. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything I do. Okay? Thank you, loves. Have a joyful day, and be safe out in these streets. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.